Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be potting my glitters. So around this time last year I got myself some glitters from Southern Glitter Shine, and they've kind of just been sitting there. I don't think I've even used them in a set. Actually, I think I might have used this color, Blueberry, in my birthday nail set. I'm not quite sure. But the reason that they have been sitting there was because I couldn't find the right size container for them. I initially found these containers from Michael's, but it wasn't perfect because a lot of it still remained in the bag. But then the other day I was at the Dollar Tree and I found these. I found these in the soap aisle of my Dollar Tree, but they are perfect for these. Not a piece of glitter was left. I mean, there was obviously a couple that I couldn't scratch out of the bag, but it's perfect. These are 1.86 fluid ounces and I bought 4 packs of these. I actually haven't seen them since I bought these, and I'm hoping that they bring them back because I have a couple of these that won't be able to get potted. But enough talking, let me get started. I'm really happy to see these because when I first got these, I was like, I'm in love with every single color. Like, they are so bright, so vibrant. This one is one of my favorites. Under the UV lamp it turns yellow. That is also another thing that I really want to buy from Southern Glitter Shine, is their UV changing ones. The day I placed this order, they only had this one. I realized that I might be blocking a lot of the pouring. I'm going to try and do it at an angle, but also try to make sure that I don't lose some of my glitters in the process. But I probably should have thought about recording this at a different angle. After I'm done pouring the glitters into the jar, I just peel off this label and then I put it onto the jar. So for the next few weeks or so, you're going to see more uploads on like organization stuff. I was supposed to do this quite some time ago, but I ended up flying to the UK, so I kind of put it on hold. But now I'm actually going to do it because my nail room is getting ridiculous. I have like nowhere to put anything, and I kind of need to organize stuff to, you know, make room. So you'll be seeing like a lot of that stuff. I don't really have like any grand way of showing you how to organize stuff. I pretty much have taken most of the hacks and tips and tricks off the internet, but I'm still going to show it anyway, just in case anyone does want to see how I store certain things. But this glitter potting will be kickstarting my organization series. This color here is super pretty. It kind of reminds me, it'd be perfect for a Barbie nail set. Speaking of Barbie nail set, I'm actually going to talk about it in this video, and it can be like a little secret. I was supposed to work with Melody Susie for like a Barbie nail set collaboration, and it was going to be a press-on thing. And I don't know why I keep saying like was, speaking in past tense. It's still going to happen, but so I had to do a voiceover because I recorded one of the emails wrong. But basically what happened was they reached out to me. I gave them all my sizes and all that good stuff, and then I didn't hear from them for a while. So I emailed them a few days before the movie came out, and they were like, it's been dispatched, to give it 5 to 7 days. And then they emailed me 2 days later and was like, your sizes are too small, because I had to measure my nails. So I was just like, didn't you guys just say it was dispatched? No shade to them, I don't know what's going on. I've never did any of their press on PR before. I've usually only done the electronic side of it, which I love my rep for the electronics, but I'm guessing I'm just working with like newer people. But I was just like, oh my goodness, like, I mean, I guess you guys didn't really have to know that, but I feel like, you know, I've been like really quiet in my videos. I feel like the last month or so I'm not giving you guys, you know, the tease, the story, but that's one of them. I don't know like where it is. I don't know if they're, you know, working on it. It certainly hasn't been shipped out because I have the USPS informed delivery thing where it tells you what's coming to your house, and I had to peel that off camera. But what I was saying is that I have the USPS informed delivery app that tells you what's on the way to your house, and I've had a look at it a couple of times and I don't see it, so I'm assuming they're still working on it. Hopefully I get it, you know, sometime soon. But I've been seeing so many Barbie sets and I'm like, I want to do a Barbie set, but I kind of, you know, already had something Barbie planned. In the back of my mind, I was like, I'm just going to go ahead and do a Barbie set anyway. But I was like, there's no point. I don't want to have 2 videos back to back of Barbie nails. But look at me. I should have just went ahead and did it because now I have 0. The people that usually ship out my nail files and all that stuff, they're on point. They're fantastic. But like I said, it must be, you know, a new set of people, new group of people. I don't know. So I am all done putting these glitters. I do have 2 full-size ones left, and then this one was a free gift. I'm probably not going to pot this one. Then I also have the UV changing ones, and I believe these are 1/2 ounce. I don't know if I'm going to pot this. I don't know if I have anything small enough. Actually, I'm going to try my Young Nails containers. That might be small enough. In my head, I thought these were way bigger, but I'm probably just going to figure something out for this one. I am going to go back and see if I can find more of these so I can put these 2, but that is pretty much it for this video. The next one I'll be doing is organizing my charms, and oh my goodness, I have so many charms to organize and it's going to take me quite some time. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching.